If you were with us today at 12 and 12:30, Ryan was telling us about kind of that first wave of rain moving through the state, and lo and behold, that second wave arrived.
It's arriving, and it looks like it'll be heaviest in the mountains and maybe into parts of central Maine. May not produce a whole lot more in southern areas, but once that goes by, you'll start to feel a little bit of a drop in the dew points.
Oh, yeah.
And make sure you enjoy tomorrow if you don't like hot and humid weather, because the end of the week, it's going to be coming back. A beauty of a day ahead tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, still very warm, but not humid at all. We'll have a breeze through the day that helps mix things up, too. Wednesday, it starts to turn stickier, and inland areas on Wednesday look to be hottest in the upper 80s, probably in the mid 80s along the coastline with more of an onshore breeze. And then late week, Thursday through the weekend, hot and humid for several days with temperatures up around 90 degrees. So this first round of rain is now departing eastern Maine. We have a few little light showers to the south, but this squall line of mainly downpours with some thunderstorms up around the border with Quebec is right ahead of the cold front that's going to start moving east this evening. It's already cleared through Vermont and New Hampshire, and less humid air is moving into western New Hampshire at the moment. Out ahead of it, you can see the downpours here. A little rain falling on parts of the mid-coast too, and in southern Maine, maybe a few sprinkles. This is not severe at the moment, but there may be a clap of thunder and a strike of lightning within this rain as it keeps moving through the Rumford, Mexico area, then getting into Farmington and Skowhegan probably about an hour or so from now. In the Bangor area, it looks like a little lull, but there's some rain to the south around Ellsworth and some rain over interior Washington County, Calais up to Topsfield right now too. Temperatures have been held down today with the cloud cover and the rain, but the dew points, of course, are sky high. But watch what happens this evening. By 7 o'clock, we're already dropping the dew points into the 60s in western Maine, still very humid in eastern and northern Maine. But once the front goes by there, by about midnight, you'll start to feel the change. And tomorrow morning, those dew points will be down in the 50s, and they stay in that comfortable range all day long tomorrow. So we'll show you the hour-by-hour forecast for the future radar, too. And you can see 6 o'clock. There's that line stretching from Greenville down to about central Maine, and maybe a little rain pushing through Casco Bay, but it looks like the heaviest of it should be to the north. By 9 o'clock this evening, clearing out across the south. You may be able to catch the sunset in some spots. Still some rain, though, in eastern and northern Maine, and that's where showers can continue into late tonight. But for just about everybody else, the sun is out first thing in the morning, and it stays out all day long tomorrow. Sunshine, low humidity, but still quite warm. Middle 80s for a lot of us, low 80s up north. That breeze will be gusty, 10 to 20 miles per hour, with some gusts that can be higher than 30 miles per hour, especially in northern Maine tomorrow. That's where it'll be gustiest. Really nice tomorrow night. Mostly clear. I think it's still pretty comfortable Wednesday morning, but during the day on Wednesday we get a bit more of a southerly flow, so we start to inch up the dew points again, and that southerly flow means the coast is probably low to mid 80s on Wednesday, but the hottest weather across the central highlands and north, where we may get into the upper 80s to near 90 on Wednesday, and that's just the beginning. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet with a southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. So beauty tomorrow, mainly sunny on Wednesday, hotter and more humid on Thursday. A place like Freiburg probably has a heat wave, which is 3 or more days of hitting 90 in a row. I think they probably do it there. A few other places will fall short. There are your coastal temperatures, upper 80s to right around 90 Thursday through the weekend, with just a pop-up shower or storm Friday or Saturday as we see it now. So not much rain past what we get today.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.